Alright boys and girls, here we are back with an unboxing video. I haven't done an unboxing video for a little while. This is the Oppo A91 ready to be unboxed. So before I get started, thank you to Oppo for sending this out to me, much appreciated. 2, if you are interested in the Oppo A91, there will be links down below to Amazon, eBay and Oppo's website as well. 3, if you've got any questions for my full review, make sure you hit me up in the comments down below because I'm going to do a full review on this. I'm not going to review it in a day. I'm going to take a week or 2 to be able to go through everything and put out a good solid review for you all. This is purely unboxing. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, 48 megapixel AI quad camera, in-display fingerprint sensor 3.0, version 3.0, unlocks in 0.32 of a second. Man, that's fast. Full HD plus AMOLED display and VOOC flash charging 3.0 as well. A lot more specs in here. They're the main ones. Quick run out to the kitchen, get a knife. I knew there was a reason kitchens existed. Was to keep the unboxing knives on hand. Put that out of the way. Rubbish down by the side of the desk. Okay, what's in the box? Thankfully, we get a case, a clear case. You need a clear case. Whoever doesn't put a case in the box needs a smack in the chops. SIM ejection tool, user guide, all that stuff. The Oppo A91. This is blazing blue. Look at that. That is definitely blazing blue. I love that look. Looks amazing. Look at it. Quad camera, USB Type-C, headphone jack, people. You hear me? Headphone jack. Now, everyone should put a headphone jack in their phones. You morons. Thank you, Oppo, for putting in a headphone jack. All right, let's power this on. See if we've got any juice in it. It has juice. I'm going to put it over there for a second. It's turning on. Got a power brick. Look at this for a power brick. This is the VOOC charging. So it's just like super fast charging, VOOC charging. It's just like wham, bam charging. That's what we'll call it from now on. Wham, bam charging. I love that. USB Type-C cable for charging. And some headphones. Thank you for throwing in the headphones. All right, box aside. So there you get your blazing blue Oppo A91. Let's set this up as quick as we can. Language, English Australia. Region options, Australia. I agree to everything because that's what I do. All right, Wi-Fi passwords in, checking for updates. I always like to set up my phones from new. I don't like setting them up like copying over or anything like that. All right, I'm in. I haven't downloaded any apps or anything yet. I've just logged in my account. There's going to be doing some work in the background. I'm just going to do a quick photo test. The shutter was really quick. That's the main thing when you're taking a photo, like some of these phones I've tried, the Nokia 6.2 comes to mind. Take a photo and it takes like a second for the shutter to go off, and that's the worst experience ever. I'm happy to say that the Oppo A91 doesn't have any of those problems. Straight up, you can tell it's a fast shutter. And have a look at that. That is a good sharp image. Straight up, I'm happy with that. Now I'm just going to go back to the camera. Okay, wide angle. Tap to focus, bang. And there's wide angle. There's normal. There's wide. And those colors are really good. Like they're the proper colors of what I'm seeing in this room, are the same colors that are coming out on the photos. So really good straight up pictures. I'm really happy with that. So just quickly, I'll go through the device. You've got your front facing camera up the top here. On the screen, it's a little teardrop cutout. Actually, let's try the selfies. Again, fast shutter, that's what you want. Let's have a look at the photo. And there's the photo. Apart from the model being amazingly good looking, the photo is pretty good too for a front facing camera. So, front facing camera. Quad camera setup on the back. Microphone up the top there. On the left hand side you have your volume up and down and your SIM card tray, and you also have, so you can have dual SIM and a memory card up to 256 gigabyte. I mean, is there nothing they don't include in these devices? These mid-range devices are amazing. One thing I will say, look at the fingerprints on that. Thank goodness they give you a case. So there you go. Hit me up in the comments down below. What do you want to know about the full review? I'm going to test everything. I'm going to test all the camera lenses. I'm going to test the charging. I'm going to test the video, the slow-mo, the software, gaming. I'm going to go through it all. You hit me up in the comments if there's anything special you think that I should cover on the Oppo A91. I mean, I love it. I think it's amazing already. I've always loved the Oppo devices because of what they pack into their small devices. So, thank you for watching. I'll catch you real soon for the full review. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check out.